G'day viewers, our next metaphor test and restore is the Emmco Mark 1. Big grubby. 10 to 60 ampere, 1 phase, 400 rev per kilowatt hour, 240 volts, 2 wire, 50 cycles. 1973 Victoria. This one's absolutely mint inside. Nice and shiny. It's got 64,374.36 kilowatt hours. I prefer to read the whole lot, even the one textile. Normally you don't read that, but yeah, I like to read it. Get an exact, precise reading then. You can see it's kind of faded to pink. That should be red, so this has been out in the window, or out in an alleyway in a town centre somewhere. Yeah, it would have been under a veranda or on the side of a shop front or something like that. Tells me how dirty it is in the sun damage on that little dial. Let's give it a test. We're both on the mark. Yeah, I can still tell between there and between there, so I don't bother lining them up on the mark. I'll be able to tell the bottom positions of the dial that where they're going to stop. That is one shiny disc though. Out of my email meters, this has got the shiniest disc yet. It's interesting, I've never seen one with this kind of font on it though. It's the first time I've seen one of these emails with this sort of font. Must have been where it was made, because they were made in Sydney and Melbourne. I wonder if they just had one factory had one set of fonts and the other one had a different set of fonts. Don't know. It's interesting though. Makes this a new unique out of all the rest of them in my collection. So far so good. Yep. But yeah, it's twice the speed at 800 revs per kilowatt hour, and this is half the speed at 400 revs per kilowatt hour. Watch that disc spin. Listen to those bloody flies. Yeah, I'm gonna make a phantom loading setup soon, hopefully, if I get a spare time. That'll be the wallet and environmentally friendly way of doing accuracy tests, as Wayne suggested. Yeah, it's about right. Yeah, it's about 100 watt hours there, almost. Yeah. God, there's flies. Yeah, it'll be about right. That's about where I left off from last time. Shut that off. Unplug safety first. Now they've got some extra spare wire there, I might change this one. A bit too underrated for this task. Yeah, it's warm. Yeah, it's only 0.75mm squared, I think. Not a good idea for this sort of load. I'll have to swap this wire over. A bit too warm. That's not too bad. Yeah, I'll back that one there on. That's a much better wire. But this only passed the accuracy tests, and it's never ever been opened up. So I've got the original seals. Let's give it a cosmetic clean-up. Okay, you as well have a good good scrubbing with a damp, not harsh, but mildly, very mildly abrasive dishcloth to get the paint residue off it. Looks better now. And man, that sponge had lots of black muck come out of it. This thing has definitely seen a lot of sunlight in its life. So it would have been installed on a wall next to a window on a shop front, I reckon. Judging by the amount of fading and the dust and the black stuff that came off it. Oh, and cleaned it very well. Have a look inside there. I don't see much wear on the drive gear either. That's good. It's a good thing about these, they're made so well they barely even wear. Seal's got MT23. I can't see what's on that one. It's got 570 the code in there. And those seals are staying on there. It's got the other type of terminal cover, not this type. It's got the square type with the moulding for the lock. So I got one good terminal cover. The other one I got in the other near BAZ was cracked. So it's another type I've got. Clean it quite well. Anyway, that's it, so now all done and dusted and ready for a nice display. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.